Good morning, student of class 4. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 16 June 2021, and I am teaching you chapter number 2, and name of the chapter is our internal organs. Okay, now see student, I have given you, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So student, I have given you the complete explanation of the chapter, and after that we have started the book exercises of the chapter. Is it clear? Again I am repeating student, you will complete book exercises in the book only, and question answer you will write in your classwork copy, and you will draw diagram in the classwork copy. No student will write book exercises in the classwork copy. Okay, so we have already completed question number A, that is tick the correct answer. Okay, so first 5 question tick the correct answer we have completed. Now open page number 16, take out your book, open page number 16. Now today we will start with question number B, answer in one word. Question number B, answer in one word. So question number 1, a framework of bones. Okay, now first question is a framework of bones. See student, our body is made up of framework of bones. Okay, and these framework of bone is known as skeleton. This is known as skeleton. Is it clear? So this framework of bones, that is known as skeleton, it plays a very important role in our body. It gives shape. ठीक है, देखो कुछ लोगों की बहुत हाइट होती है, कुछ लोगों की चेस्ट बहुत एक्सपेंड होती है, सबके अपने अपने शेप और साइज होते हैं. ठीक है, सो जो हमारी बॉडी है इसको जो शेप दे रहा है, इसको कौन दे रहा है? स्केलेटन दे रहा है. ठीक है, इट गिव support and shape to our body, and at the same time student it protect the internal organs of the body, like brain is protected in the skull, heart and your lungs, that is 2 lungs, they are protected in the rib cage, bones of the rib cage, and other internal organs are also protected by the bones. And another important function of the skeleton is that it help with the help of a muscles. When these bones are connected to the muscle, तो इट हेल्प्स इन द मूवमेंट ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है, when these bones are connected to the muscle, so it also help in the movement of the body. Is it clear? And another important thing about this, these bones, hollow bones, ठीक है, जो हॉलो बोन्स होती हैं, जो बॉडी की बड़ी बड़ी बोन्स होती हैं, वो हॉलो हैं. तो उनके अंदर जो टिश्यूज है ना बेटा, दैट इज बोन मैरो, विच विच मेक्स आरबीसी, रेड ब्लड सेल ऑफ द बॉडी. ठीक है, रेड ब्लड सेल इसमें बनते हैं. ठीक है, और जितने भी मिनरल्स हैं, हमारी बॉडी को मिनरल्स रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं ना फॉर द ग्रोथ. सो जो मिनरल्स हैं वो भी हमारी बोन्स के अंदर स्टोर रहते हैं. इट इज द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ द मिनरल्स आल्सो. सो दैट इज द रीजन these framework of bones is very important. Is it clear? So the question is, a framework of bone is known as skeleton. Framework of bone is known as skeleton. Next है, now next question number 2, breaking down of food into smaller pieces to be breaking down of food into smaller pieces to be absorbed by the body. So what is it known as? So student, breaking down of food into smaller pieces to be absorbed by the body is known as digestion. And which organ system is responsible for that? That is your digestive system. Which organ system is responsible for that, for this process of digestion? That is your digestive system. So student, why the food is broken in very smaller pieces? Reason is that we also need food, because food give us energy. In our day-to-day life we do lot of work, so for all these we also need energy, and we are getting this energy from the food which we are eating. So student, you know our body made of different organs, and our body is made of very small part, that is known as cells. So every part of the body need a energy, and as you know, what is the function of heart? It circulate with the help of a artery. Artery is a blood vessel, so with the help of a artery it circulate oxygen rich blood to all parts of the body. And what happen in the digestive system? In small intestine, all the nutrients from here, once the food process of digestion start from the mouth, then food pipe, stomach, small intestine, and two glands, that is liver and pancreas, they also secrete juices, and maximum absorption of फूड में से जो न्यूट्रिएंट ऑब्जॉर्व होते हैं बेटा वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में होते हैं, क्योंकि स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, तो यहाँ से न्यूट्रिएंट ब्लड वेसल में चलेंगे, ठीक है। एंड हार्ट उसे क्या कर रहा है, सर्कुलेट कर रहा है आर्टरी ब्लड वेसल से टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी। सो दैट इज द रीजन फूड इज ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू very small pieces, because as you know that blood is in the form of a liquid and whole this blood circulate to all parts of the body through the blood vessels। तो अगर इतने स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स फूड के नहीं होते तो वो न्यूट्रिएंट्स पूरी बॉडी में कैसे सर्कुलेट होता। इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन इतने ऑर्गन्स दे ऑल वर्क टुगेदर, इतने ज्यादा ऑर्गन्स मिलके वर्क कर रहे हैं फूड को फर्दर ब्रेक कर कर करके स्मॉल पीसेस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि लास्ट में जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स आपके ब्लड में गए दैट इज ड्यू टू द ब्लड वेसल दैट इज आर्टरी, तो आर्टरी से पूरी बॉडी में होल बॉडी में वो सर्कुलेट होंगे एंड ब्लड इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लिक्विड। और ये जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं ये बहुत बहुत थिन है, और आर्टरी जहाँ से हार्ट से पंप होती है वहाँ पे थोड़ी ब्रॉड है क्योंकि हाई प्रेशर से ब्लड पंप हो रहा है, लेकिन बॉडी के अदर पार्ट्स पे जाते जाते ये बहुत थिन होती चली जाती हैं, ठीक है। दैट इज द रीजन फूड को बहुत स्मॉल पीसेस में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है एंड सो मैनी ऑर्गन्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन दैट प्रोसेस to convert the food into smaller pieces, and this so that the food is absorbed in the blood, and this process is known as digestion। और इस प्रोसेस को हम किस नाम से बोलेंगे बेटा? we say it as a digestion। next question number Question number 3, organs that throw out carbon dioxide from our body। Okay, now see, organ that throws out carbon dioxide from our body, what was the name of the organ? So here now what's happened student, the blood vessel when they bring blood back to the heart, is it clear? Because that blood is rich in carbon dioxide, is it clear? So artery circulate the blood, that is oxygen rich blood, but the another blood vessel that is known as vein, they bring blood back from all parts of the body and to the heart, and then the blood which contain carbon dioxide, it is sent to the lungs, and we breathe out, because what is the respiration? We breathe in and we breathe out. So in respiration is the process to what? Absorb of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide। So now the question is, organ that throw out carbon dioxide from our body, that is our lungs, क्योंकि लंग्स से फिर वो नोज के थ्रू जाता है बाहर, लेकिन जो ऑर्गन जिसमें आएगा वो लंग्स में ही आएगा क्योंकि लंग्स के ब्लड वेसल्स में आएगा। इज इट क्लियर? So organ that throw out carbon dioxide from our body, that is lungs. Now fourth one, is bean shaped structure. Bean shaped structure in our body, bean shaped structure in our body that through bean shaped structure in our body that throws liquid waste from our body. So next question is bean shaped structure in our body that throw liquid waste from our body. So student, waste is thrown in the form of a liquid also, gas also, and solid form also. So there is an organ in our body which is responsible for to filter the blood, and the waste from the blood which is collected is in the form of a liquid, and this collected waste is known as urine. So now the question arises, which organ is responsible for this? So answer is kidneys. How many kidneys we have in our body? Two kidneys. Like lungs, how many lungs we have? We have two lungs. Is it clear? We have two lungs in our body. In the same manner, to filter the blood and remove the waste in the form of a liquid, and this liquid waste is known as urine, and it is collected in the urinary bladder, and through the urethra it goes out of the body. And this is done by which organ? That is, which system you can say, because other organs are also involved in this, that is kidneys. Okay, and we have two kidney in our body. Now next is the question number C. Identify the given internal organs and write their names. How many of these are there in a human being? So question number C. So question number C. So I am showing you the picture here, and after that this is the first picture. Okay, now in this question what we have to do? Question number C. Identify the given internal organs. Identify the given internal organs Identify the given internal organs and write their names. And write their names. And write their names. Next is how many of these are there how many of these are there in a human being, in a human being. So all of you open page number 16 of your book. Question number C, some of the picture of a internal organs are given. We have to identify the pictures, that this picture is of which internal organ, and another thing also we have to write how many organs, how many of these are there in a human being. So first picture, this is the first picture. Yes, okay, very good, your answer is right. The first picture is of a heart. So note down name of the first one. Name, first picture name is heart, and it is asked how many. So in human body, how many heart we have? That is 1. So now I show you the picture of another. Now this is the second picture. Now this is the second picture. This is the second picture. Identify the picture. Yes, your answer is right. This is the picture of lungs. And how many lungs we have in our body? So answer is 2. How many lungs we have in our body? Answer is 2. And it is protected inside the chest bone, or you can also say rib cage. So second picture is of lungs. Then how many lungs we have? Answer is 2. How many lungs we have? So the answer is 2. Now third picture. Now I show you third picture. This is the third picture. Is it clear? This is a third picture. Yes. This is the picture of your which internal organ, student? This is a picture of which internal organ? So this is the picture of stomach. Okay. Third one name is stomach. How many stomach we have in our body? How many stomach we have in our body? So answer is 1. Question number 4. Now again see the picture. This is the fourth picture. This is a fourth picture. And this is a picture of which internal organ? That is kidneys. So fourth picture name is, this is a picture of kidneys. And how many we have? So how many kidneys we have, student? So answer is 2. So question number C we have completed. Now take out your classwork copy, all of you. Take out your classwork copy. You will write date 16/6/2021. On the top you will write chapter 2. Name of the chapter our internal organs, and then you note down the first question from your book, or you can also note down the question from the board also. Is it clear? Question number D. Answer in short. Answer in short. Question number 1. What is the role kidney? What is the role of kidney in our body? First of all, I give you the explanation. See, when we are talking about the kidney, so kidney is a part of which system? That is urinary system, you can say, or excretory system. Okay, kidney is a part of a, you can say, urinary system also, or you can say excretory system also. So it removes the waste from the blood. It filters the blood, waste from the blood, and that waste is collected in the form of a liquid form, and this liquid form is known as urine. Is it clear? So two ureters are attached to the kidney. They are thin tubes, and from there the liquid waste collected into a organ that is known as urinary bladder, that is known as urinary bladder, and through the urethra the waste goes out the body. Okay, thank you student, we will continue this in the next video.